Hello friends. Now we are discussing another topic about the types of chemical reactions. They are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation and reduction reaction. We are discussing today the combination reaction and decomposition reaction. There are other two subtypes of combination reactions. They are uh, exothermic and endothermic reaction. Now, first one is combination reaction. So, what is combination reaction? The combination reaction is the reaction in which the two or more substances combine to form a single product. It is called the combination reaction. We have activity 1.4 in our textbook. If water is added to beaker containing calcium oxide, a vigorous reaction occurs and calcium hydroxide is formed. So there are two reactants, calcium oxide and water. They combine to form slag lime calcium hydroxide. It is combination reaction. Here the chemical equation is CaO, which is in solid form, water liquid form. They combine each other to form calcium hydroxide. It is a single product which is also called slag lime, and the beaker is heat up, so heat is liberated. So generally in a combination reaction, if heat is liberated, then it is called exothermic reaction. It is the subtypes of combination reaction. Other combination reactions the other examples of exothermic reaction. So burning of coal. When the coal is burned in the presence of air, it is carbon dioxide is formed. It is called exothermic reaction because heat is liberated. Water formation. When hydrogen gas is burned in presence of oxygen, it gives water steam. It is also uh, combination reaction and exothermic reaction. Burning of natural coal. The natural coal, the CH4 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Now respiration. Respiration reaction occurs in every living organism. Due to this reaction, the molecule of glucose is broken down to form energy. So we respire, and in the presence of oxygen, the glucose is breakdown and energy is formed. So this reaction is exothermic reaction because after the complete reaction, energy is liberated in the form of heat. Decomposition reaction of vegetative matter into compost, it is also an example of exothermic energy. Now here a question of homework. So you have answers this question according to the discussion above. Discussion we have already at above uh, discussion. Now the second reaction, decomposition reaction. In a chemical reaction, a single compound on heating or in presence of sunlight or um, passing through electric current forms more than one product is called a decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction, one reactant is divided into two or more products. It is called the decomposition reaction. Generally, decomposition reaction occurs in presence of energy. Energy may be in as a sunlight, as electric current, or heat. Because decomposition reaction is an endothermic reaction because energy is absorbed in any form. Now, according to activity 1.5, already in our textbook, take 2 gram of ferrous sulfate, formula is FeSO4, which is in crystal form. Color of this crystal is green in a dry boiling tube. On a carefully heating the tube, it is converted into reddish brown substance. So when it is heat up, the green color is converted into red brown color called ferric oxide, Fe2O3. By smelling the evolved gas carefully, we cannot smell directly from the test tube because it is very dangerous. Strong irritating smells we have experienced. It is due to the evolution of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. The equation in is decomposition reaction, ferrous sulfate, it is heat up, ferric oxide and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide are formed. They both of them are gases. Types of decomposition reaction, the subtypes of decomposition reaction. The thermal decomposition, when decomposition takes place due to heat, it is called thermal decomposition. Activity 1.6 from the textbook, page number 8. When lead nitrate it is white in color, it is a powder, is heated in a dry boiling tube, brown colored fumes or gas is evolved. It is nitrogen dioxide. So this brown color gas, which is evolved due to this reaction, it is nitrogen dioxide. Due to nitrogen dioxide, is brown color. Now, the lead nitrate, when heat up, it gives lead oxide, which is remains in the test tube, and nitrogen dioxide and oxygen both are gases. Second one is electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic decomposition due to electric current. When electric current is passing through the solution or water. Here in activity 1.7, water is taken in the beaker and two electrodes as per activity 1.7 textbook page number 9. Oxygen gas releases when electric current is passed at anode and hydrogen gas releases at cathode in the proportion of 1:2. So oxygen gas is collected in the test tube is half of the gas collected in the test tube is double. It is hydrogen. So oxygen and hydrogen in the proportion is 1:2. So 2 times the hydrogen, 1 time of oxygen. Now equation, when from in the water electric current is passed, hydrogen and oxygen gas is evolved. Hydrogen gas, it is collected at cathode and oxygen gas is collected on anode. Now photolytic decomposition. So photolytic decomposition, it is the decomposition due to sunlight. When sunlight when sunlight sorry when a cyanide is containing silver chloride, we have silver chloride, some 2 to 4 gram silver chloride when put in cyanide, and it is kept under the sunlight. That's a direct sunlight. Under the direct sunlight, the powder turns into gray, because this powder is white, but after this reaction it turns into gray due to chlorine gas is evolved. The chlorine gas is removed from silver chloride. We can take silver bromide, and this reaction is occur the from silver bromide also bromine gas is evolved, and remove from the powder, and only silver is remain in that petri dish. This reaction is due to this is reaction occurs due to the sunlight. So it is called the photolytic decomposition. Photolytic, photo matlab light, so it is due to light. Now all these activities 1.6, 1.7 and 1.8 from the textbook with diagram, because in examination the diagram should be drawn. Now these 3 points should be remembered in your mind. In decomposition reaction, the energy in the form of heat, sunlight or electric current is provided to decompose the compound. So a decomposition reaction is not occur without any energy. So it is called endothermic reaction. Silver chloride and silver bromide are used in a black and white photography. Um, in ancient days, black and white photography had taken place. In this black and white photography, silver bromide or silver chloride is used widely. So nowadays it is not used. Now here is the homework. So this homework should be done properly. Uh, okay, we have discussing two types of chemical reaction. First one is combination reaction and the other one is decomposition reaction. Learn it properly. All the reactions should be studied properly. Okay.